First of all, we would estimate that the Iranian exports have been about 1.4 over the course of the first quarter. So let's say the first question is, how much of that comes out? Do we really go down to zero? In our expert opinion, we would say probably not. We're probably looking at more of an adjustment to about 700,000 barrels per day. So let's say that is correct. Well, then there is plenty of buffer in the system in order to make up for that. Because we know in November, just of last year, the Saudis were already alone producing 1.3 million barrels per day, higher than they currently are. So there is definitely a buffer there. Now, if exports go to zero, we're in a different situation. We still think there is cover in the global oil system. However, it would make the market much more bullish, obviously, because it would reduce the amount of spare capacity, which would be a buffer against, say, other events, maybe Venezuela or Libya would come to mind.
Okay, so if exports do go to zero, then how much higher will prices go? Then what would be the impact then that you just foreshadowed?
I mean, you know, $100 oil is not unimaginable in that scenario. I would not think that as being a long-term issue, but definitely as we go into the summer, we could be looking at very volatile and very high oil prices, particularly if any other geopolitical factors rise. So, you know, the upside is going to be pretty substantial, I would say, but it would only be a limited time, because whatever's going to happen, what will ever happen with prices as they go higher, this will have a supply-side effect, and that supply-side effect will mainly come from the United States. We're already forecasting very strong growth in U.S. oil supply. That's based on oil prices of around $60 to $65. If we are at prices $75 to $80, then we will definitely be making upward revisions to U.S. oil supply forecasts.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.